Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and today I want to show you some different ways that I packaged tea bags for craft fairs. So let's get started with this one. So I made a little pumpkin pocket, and I did this with my Cricut. There's a back, you can see the pumpkin, okay? And I just did print, then cut for the little pocket with the pumpkin spice, and then put the tea bag in there, and then did a topper. And that's it. It's pretty cute. It's okay. And here is one. Oh, hold on. Let me come to this one. So here's another one. Pretty cute. Okay. So, I want to show you the tea that I'm using. I did buy it from Amazon, and I just bought this. 64 tea bags, the seasonal tea collection from Bigelow. Okay. I'll try to put a link to it. Anyway, but here, I should show you real quick before I show you that, because that's super cute what I'm about to show you. It had pumpkin spice, which I've used all of that amount, and it has all these different flavors. So for fall, I was doing pumpkin spice and the caramel apple, and then the ginger snappish I'll do for Christmas, and the peppermint bark as well, eggnog, and the hot cinnamon. I'll do those all for Christmas, and then, maybe the hot cinnamon, I may do that one for fall. And then the cranberry harvest, I'll do that for Christmas as well, because it's red. But anyway, that's what's in there. And I can't remember how many tea bags are in each packet. 8 of them, because you get 64 bags, 8 of each. Okay, so let's show you the caramel apple. Now, I really like this one. I think maybe I should have used like a pattern paper, but I think this one's super cute as well. Cuter than the pumpkin spice, because you can actually see the apple. But yeah, those are Cricut files, and I will share those with you. Okay. So let me show you some others I did, and then I'm going to show you some. These are all on the Cricut. Okay, so this one's on the Cricut as well, and it's just a cup, and I used, some of my Halloween paper, and I made the stickers to go with it on the Cricut using some of the Cricut files. Okay, and that's cute. And then you've seen the little notebook with this one, pumpkin spice and everything nice. But I used a salted caramel because I ran out of the pumpkin, which I need to get some more pumpkin spice tea. And this one too. Yep, very cute. There's other variation, Hello Autumn. And then Happy Pumpkin Spice Season. Excuse me. Allergies are bad still. And then Pumpkin Everything. And then Pumpkin Spice Vibes. Okay. Those are cute. Alright, so then I came up with a different version of these little tea favors using my punch board, and I'm going to show you what I use these first two, because it's going to be a gift card and a tea envelope combination. Okay, I use these first two. So 5x5 paper. If you use a 12x12 sheet of paper, you should be able to do 2 sets of the same thing. So if you've used an envelope punch board, you know how to do this, okay? I'm not going to demonstrate unless you just tell me you need me to, okay? So here is the combination. Here's our little envelope. Now you see this 5x5 paper. So that envelope for the tea is the second one. the 2.5 by 3. And you would score at 2 3/8, punch and score at 2 3/8, and follow through with that. But I also added a gift card holder because I thought that would be a cute little thing to have a gift card holder in there too. And that's the first one, the 2 by 3.5 gift card. And that's using 5 by 5 paper and scoring at 2 inches. So, and then I just added a topper to it. And then I added some of my stickers that I have from different collections. I think these are Echo Park. I know they are. And then here is another version, using up. Guys, this paper that I used here, Michael's had these fall papers on clearance for $3 a pad. There are 48 sheets in each pad. You guys, do the math. It's really cheap to make 2 of these out of 1 sheet of paper. Very cheap. So, anyway, there's that version of that one with a little gift card. Okay. And here's the third one. I'm going to make a bunch of these. I can tell you right now. I only made these, but I thought, oh my gosh. Oh, and the sticker, this sticker is from Hobby Lobby. I bought it on clearance last year. Anyway, I wanted to show you these different ways of packaging tea. I'll put one of each out here so you can see. Well, yeah. Caramel apple. Which one is your favorite? Which one of these is your favorite? Just curious. And would you make these if you were doing a craft fair or for little gifts? These are great gifts for coworkers, for friends, for neighbors, you know, to hand out. You could even make them kind of Halloween and hand them out when you're handing out candy. If you do that, you know, if you celebrate Halloween, that would be a great thing to do. Okay. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want me to do a tutorial on them, I will. Okay? They were very, very easy though. Very easy. And I'll share the Cricut files. Okay? Alright guys, have a great day. Bye.